Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to switch from block editor to classic editor. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to use the classic editor here instead of the block editor, well, this one is quite easy. So what we need to do is you want to go to your plugins at the left side here and just choose add plugin. And you want to go and just search your plugin here. Just type in classic editor or just type in classic. Pretty much the same thing. You want to look for classic editor here and click on install now. Now from here, just wait for a while and go ahead and click on activate. Now once it's actually activated, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just go to, like, for example, your post here, and you should be able to see an option here that says allows you to edit it in a way like, for example, using the classic editor, as you can see right now. But the thing with this one, if you want to use a very specific like editor or the default editor, just in case it doesn't appear in here, what you need to do is you want to go to your settings. And what we need to do is you want to look for the setting for updating the actual editor. So in this case, you want to go to the writing setting here at the left side. Now from here, you should see the option to choose either classic editor or block editor here. So just in case the option that says classic editor doesn't appear for you, just choose classic editor, and now you should be able to start using the classic editor instead of the block editor. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.